Hi guys, today we're making a new video about mystery matter. Is it a solid or is it a liquid? Let's find out. So what you're going to need for mystery matter is cornstarch, water, and to make it look better, maybe even some food coloring. So now, let's start. First, I'm going to start with putting in this entire bag. Now, the more the better. So let's put in halfway. There. That's enough. So, now let's get to the water. First, let's start by getting open the cap to the food coloring. Let's go 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to screw on the cap so we can shake it. There. So now let's add a little bit. Kids, might be your favorite part. A mess. There. It feels so weird. So, basically, is this going to be a solid or is this going to be a liquid? Right now, it's basically both because of the cornstarch. Oh, so gooey. Solids keep their shape because their molecules are packed tightly together. When I make a fist and punch it, it's a solid. But like liquids, the molecules are more further apart, so you can put your hand through it. So if you make a fist and hit the table, it's solid, right? Solid. Solid. But what happens if I hit it like this? Solid. I'm not going through it. Solid. Solid. Now what happens if we go through it slowly? Still can't go through the table. It's solid. But how about the mystery matter? You can go through it. So, basically, you might be saying it's a solid and liquid, but actually, it's not being a solid and liquid at the same time. It's changing. So guys, now we're going to make a ball with it. You might be saying it's going to go liquid on me, but if you do it fast enough, it's not going to become a liquid. You're keeping it solid by squishing it a lot. Try to make it into a ball as much as you can. The second you let go, it turns into a liquid. You can even put it in your hands. So satisfying. This is so cool though. I've got a question for you. Would you like to make this at your house? Because you can. All you need is cornstarch and water. That's it. So guys, we've reached the end of the video. Like and subscribe. And leave a comment on if this is a solid or a liquid. I'm going to read all of the comments. Bye guys!